maji. Tafadhali tunaweza kuketi popote tulipo. Allow me to introduce some people to you in some few minutes, and we'll be out of this place. Firstly, I want to allow all the pastors who are together with us from other churches as I keep speaking, please be coming. All the pastors, all the bishops, all the apostles, all the prophets, all the evangelists, please find your way to this place so that you say your name and your church, and we will proceed. Let's celebrate them as they come, please. They are only two, and men of God are disciplined, so the ball is in your courts.
Kwa hivyo kwa majina naitwa mchungaji Antus Mimango, niko nyumbani. Huduma nafanya na Rema Teaching and Worship Center. Kanisa hapa ni Siaka opposite Sangalo Forest. Jina la Bwana libarikiwe.
Amen. Naitwa Pastor Samson Baraza na hudumu chini ya huduma inaitwa Rivers of Joy kule Kimatoro. Asante.
Let's celebrate the men of God. Allow me to mention the names of the pastors that are here with me, my good friends. With us we have Pastor Dominic. Let's celebrate him, please. We have my good friend Reverend Jeff. Amen. We have my good friend Pastor Stephen Saratuki. And I want all the Wonders pastors to be standing. All the Wonders pastors to be standing. I said I'll be here in very few minutes. This is Pastor Edmond. Please be seated. That is Pastor Peter. Please be seated. This other one here is Pastor Peter as well. Thank you, be seated. This is Pastor John. Be seated. Please remind me Pastor's name. Pastor Augustine starts with Pastor Moses. And then we have another Moses, the junior, Moses Kibali. I don't know where he is. Please. Is he around? Then lastly, have my wife please come over, sweethearts. I want to introduce you to the people in a minute. Celebrate my wife as she comes. Your own wife too shall be celebrated. Please say your name.
Kwa majina ni Irene Pastor Feather.
Amen. Your own wife shall be disciplined. I said your own wife shall be disciplined. Now before it rains, I want to introduce one man to you, a bishop within our Wonders fraternity, a man I hold in very high regard, a man who has been there for me, a man who takes bullets for me, and that is why you hear his name being mentioned here over and over again. Please, man of God, introduce yourself and give a brief testimony about Lillian. Don't forget to introduce your wife. I give you 2 minutes.
Hey! Bwana asifiwe! Hey, Bwana wanda, Bwana asifiwe! Basi memulembe! Mrosi chanyali. Okirane nyindala zali ofuga. Kisikakira kumoyo kwekala na kwekala. Wefunda lyo kule ijano mwana omali. Omali uzangeze.
Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Amen. Chini ya baba askofu pamoja na kanisa. Haleluya. Mimi majina naitwa Rosemary Juma. Lakini ninataka kuambia watoto wa Salome ambao wamebaki. Lili alikuwa mpendwa wa Salome. Nanyi pia muwe wepesi kama Lili alikuwa akifanya. Asanteni, Mungu akawabariki. Mume wangu ni Moses Juma Wagomba.
Asante. Omukazi wese wa Pastor Rosemary Akinyi Chuma yengine ni na change na kusamwe. Eseba maska ndanja hushima apostle wange. Kubere training ni kubiriramo yakira mwanja kutajalisi nali. Takanie atize fananditi. Zaiti sana sima mzakuluma imenda Peter. Wanjala kute. Kaka kila kuti nabaka limikono. Abandi abeba palite ngipalifwana. Kana no upalikale abano kolori. Abo kolori. Oriko yete lugero na. Basi abandi ba palite ngibamba sisa bachukuja kwenje. Ne Peter mali icha mwana wase. Wicho otikie apostle Timothy. Kwa hivyo kwa ukolani ndebutu mabwevu kwa wonders.